Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Now, today we are going to start exercise 7D. But before starting exercise 7D, we'll have to understand some concept related to this exercise. Then only we'll able to solve the questions of this exercise. So, if a polynomial is in the form ax square plus bx plus c, okay, where a, b and c are constant, okay, and if we have to factorize this polynomial, we have to factorize this polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Then how we'll factorize this polynomial? Ax square, the value of a can be anything. Suppose 2. If I have taken the value of a 2, value of b suppose 5, value of c suppose 6. Got it? So what this polynomial, if we'll put the value, what it will become? So it will become 2x square plus, in place of b, what is there? 5x plus c, in place of c, what will put? 6. So this is our polynomial. Got it? So any polynomial we can take. Got it? It can be x square plus 7x plus 5. This can be also there. Anything it can be. So can you tell me what is a here? A with x square, you can see here, with x square a is multiplied. So you can see here, with x square, what is multiplied here? Nothing is there. That means 1. If nothing is given, then 1. With b, with x, what is multiplied here? B. So with x, b is multiplied. So here with x, what is multiplied? 7. So the value of b will be equal to 7. Then plus c. So in place of c, what is there? 5. So c will be equal to 5. Got it? Now, what is the rule to factorize a polynomial? Suppose a polynomial a x square plus bx plus c. So what we have to do? This b we have to split. We have to split in two parts. Okay, we have to split in b. We have to split in two parts. Suppose the value of b is equal to 5. Okay, this part is given 5x. So we can split 5 into what? 3 plus 2 or what? 4 plus 1 or 6 minus 1. In two parts we are splitting or not? 5. Okay, so we have to split b in two parts. After that, what we have to do? After that, the value of b should be equal to product of c and a. So b should be equal to a into c. Okay, the product of b should be equal to the product of a and c. Now in this form you may feel little difficult, but with example if I'll tell you, then it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so I'm taking one example to solve this. Now I'm taking one example, a very easy example. I'm taking x square plus 5x plus 6. We have to factorize we have to factorize this polynomial. Okay, so how we'll factorize? So what is our a here? Can you tell me what is our a here? Our a is with x square. What is multiplied? Nothing is multiplied, that means 1. Then what is our b here? With x, what is multiplied? 5. So 5 will our b. Okay, then what is our c here? C is 6. Actually our basically our this polynomial is in what form? A x square plus bx plus c. Okay, so in place of c, you can see here, in place of c, what is there? 6 is there, so c is equal to 6. Okay, then in place of with x, what is multiplied here? 5. So here with x, what is multiplied here? B. So the value of b, we have got 5. Okay, similarly a x square means with x square a is multiplied. So here with x square, what is multiplied? We can write as 1. 1 into x square will become x square only. So the value of a will be 1. Okay, now come to our main purpose, how to solve this one. Okay, so now look at here, pay attention here. Okay, now this polynomial x square plus 5x plus 6. Now this 6 we have to multiply with x square. How much will get? 6x square. Okay, just you multiply this one and constant one and x square, whatever will get you write here, 6x square. Now 5x, this 5x we have to split in such a way that after adding we'll get 5x. So we can write 3x plus 2x or x plus 4x or 6x minus x or 7x minus 2x. So many ways are there to split 5x. Okay, so many ways are there. 3x. Now we have to see which expression is suiting, means which expression is fitting for our purpose. We have to multiply it, whatever we have got x. Now this x and this 4x, if we'll multiply, how much we'll get here? X into 4x will get how much? Will get 4x square. Are we getting this? Equal to 6x square, are we getting? No. So we cannot use this one. Now 6x into x, this one 6x into x, if we'll multiply, how much we'll get? We'll get 6x and into minus x, so we'll get minus 6x square. Is it equal to 6x square? Here minus 6x square is there and here plus 6x square is there, so this one also we cannot use. In this part 7x into minus 2x, if we'll multiply, how much we'll get? 7 into 2 14 minus 14x square will get. So are we getting equal to 6x square? No. So this expression also we cannot use. But look at here, this one 3x, this one you see 3x into 2x, how much will get? 3 into 2 6 and x into x 6x square. Look at here, this expression 3x plus 2x we are getting equal to this 5x, and 3x into 2x we are getting 6x square, which is equal to this one 6x square. So this splitting form is fitting for, it is satisfying both the condition. Okay, it is satisfying both the condition. So now we can write this one as x square, and 5x we can write in what form? 3x plus 2x. Okay, why? Because 3x plus 2x will get this 5x, and 3x into 2x will get how much? 6x square. Okay, product of this one 6 and x square. Okay, so it should satisfy both the condition, then our splitting part is correct. We have to split in that part. Now 5x we have splitted into two parts, 3x plus 2x. Okay, then plus this 6 we have to write, plus 6. Okay, now in this x square and in 3x we can take here common. X we are getting in both, so x will take common here. Okay, so x, if we have taken common in this x square and 3x, will take 2 pair. X square and 3x will take together, and 2x plus 6 will take together. So in x square and 3x, what we can take common? X. So inside the bracket we can write x, because x into x will get this x square. Now here x we have taken outside, so what should we multiply with x so that we'll get 3x? So we have to multiply plus 3. Okay, look at here, x into x will get this x square, and x into 3 will get this 3x. Okay, now come to this part. Come to the second part of our expression. Now in this part, second part, 2x plus 6. Can we take x common here? No, because here only 6 is there, not 6, not x. So what we can take common? Plus 2 we can take common, isn't it? So 2 into x will get this 2x, and 2 into plus 3 will get plus 6. Okay, if we'll multiply this 2 into x, we'll get this 2x, and if we'll multiply this 2 into 3, we'll get this plus 6. Got it? So we have approached this one. Now look at here, both the expression, x plus 3 and x plus 3. In both these terms, x plus 3 we are getting common. So what we can take? X plus 3 will take common, and in this x into x plus 3, x plus 3 we have taken common. So inside the bracket, this x plus 3 is multiplied with what? X. So we'll write here x. Now in this part, x plus 3 is multiplied with what? With 2. So here we'll write plus 2. So this is our factorization, final factorization of x square plus 5x plus 6. Got it? So what we have learned here, that if we have to factorize, then middle part we have to split in such a way that their product will be equal to the product of this constant and this x square. Okay, first of all we'll multiply this constant and this x square, so we'll get 6x square. Now this middle part, bx part, that is your 5x part, we have to split in such a way that their product will be equal to the product of x square and this 6. Okay, we'll solve another question, then it will be more clear to you. Now just look at your question. Oh, I have done the question number 1 already. I've done right now. I had taken from my own, but it is given in the question only. Now just look at here, question number 2. It's given y square plus 10y plus 24. Okay, what is given here? y square plus 10y, it's given y square plus 10y plus 24. Okay, y square plus 10y plus 24. Now look at here. First of all, you multiply this constant part and this square part. If we'll multiply, how much we'll get? 24 into y square, we'll get 24y square. Okay, 24y square will get. Now we have to split this 10y in such a way that their product will be equal to 24y square. Okay, so 10y, how many way we can split 10y? So many ways are there. We can split in the form of y plus 9y, will get 10y. Okay, then if we'll multiply y and 9y, how much will get? 9y square. Is it equal to this 24y square? No. So just a minute. So this 9y square we are not getting equal to 24y square. So this splitting in this way we cannot use. Okay, we cannot use this way of splitting. So we have to see another way. Okay, so we'll see another way how can we split. Okay, 10y can be splitted in another way also. In what way we can split? 2y plus 8y. Okay, 2y plus 8y will get this 10y. But if we'll multiply 8y into 2y, how much will get? 8y into 2y, if we'll multiply, we'll get 16y square, which is not coming equal to 24y square. So this way also will not take. Okay, so we'll see another method, another way of splitting. Got it? Now if we'll see 3y plus 7y. Okay, 3y plus 7y also will get how much? 10y. But if we'll multiply 3y and 7y, how much will get? 21y square. Okay, which is not equal to this your 24y square. So this way also will not, we cannot proceed in this way also. So what is another way? If we'll take 4y plus 6y, 4y plus 6y, how much will get? 10y. Okay, 10y. And if we'll multiply 4y and 6y, so 4 into 6, 24, and y into y square, we'll get after multiplication 24y square. Is it satisfying both the condition? Yes, it is satisfying both the condition. After adding 4y plus 6y, we are getting this 10y, and after multiplying 4y into 6y, we are getting this 24y square. So this way of splitting will take. Got it? So we have to split in this way only. Got it? So we'll split in this way only. Now come to our main question. So our question is y square plus 10y plus 24. Now y square plus 10y, now we'll write as it is y square plus 10y, we can write as what? 4y plus 6y plus 24. Okay, now again we'll take 2 pair, y square and 4y will take together, and 6y and 24 will take together. Okay, then we'll take here y common. Got it? So inside the bracket we'll get y into y will get y square, plus here we'll take 4 y, this y into 4, if we'll multiply we'll get 4y only. Okay, so this part we have done. Now plus Here what we can take? 6y and 24. So here we'll take 6 common, because 6 is factor of both 6 and 24 both. So 6 we have taken common. So here we'll take y. 6 into y, the 6y, plus 6 into 4 will get this 24. Okay. Now you see, this y plus 4, this y plus 4 and this y plus 4, we are getting in both the term. Got it? So we'll take y plus 4 as common. So we'll take y plus 4 common. Okay. Y plus 4 we have taken common. This y plus 4 is multiplied here with what? With this y. So inside the bracket we'll take this y. Here y plus 4 is multiplied with what? With 6 plus 6. So we'll take here plus 6. So overall how much we'll get? Y plus 4 into y plus 6. So this is your final factorization. Got it? Now come to another question. Question number 12, you see. X square minus 17x plus 16. Okay. What is given here? X square minus 17x plus 16. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply this 16 and x square. How much we'll get? We'll get 16x square. Now we have to split this 17 minus 17x in such a way that after multiplying that we have to get this 16x square. Got it? So in what way we can split this minus 17x? Okay, in what way we can split this 17x? So now I'll take directly. So x square, we can take minus 17x as what? As minus 16x and minus x. Okay, minus 16x, this minus 16x and minus x, total will get how much? Minus 17x. And if you'll multiply minus 16x into minus x, minus 16x, if you'll multiply minus 16x into minus x, if we'll multiply, then what will get? Minus into minus will get plus, and this x into x, x square, and this 16, so plus 16x square will get. Okay, so which is equal to this 16x square. So this is satisfying our condition. So we'll split in this way. Got it? So minus 17x we are splitting in the form of minus 16x and minus x, then here plus 16. Now again you take 2 pair. Okay, so x square and minus 16x will take together, and minus x plus 16 will take together. Got it? Now so this x square minus 16x, what we can take outside as a common? So we'll take x as common. So x into x will get x square. Now x minus 16 will get this minus 16x. Okay, now here we can take minus 1 as common. So minus 1 into x will get this minus x, and minus 1 into minus 16 will get plus 16. Okay, now you can see here x minus 16 and x minus 16. We can take common here, x minus 16. Now here x minus 16 is multiplied with what? With x. So we'll write here x. And here x minus 16 is multiplied with what? With minus 1. So we'll take here minus 1. So this is our final factorization of this number. Got it? Now come to another question. Okay, now come to say this question. 3m square plus 24m plus 36. Okay, so we'll solve this question. So we are going to solve this question. 3m square plus 24m plus 36. This is our polynomial. Now we have to factorize this one. Okay, we'll factorize this part. Now first of all, what is our first step? We have to multiply this constant and the squaring part, this part. Okay, so 36, if you'll multiply with 3m square, how much you'll get? 36 into 3m square, 36 into 3, you'll get 108 and m square. Okay, 108 m square you'll get by multiplying both these. Now this 24m we have to split into two parts, so that after adding we'll get 24m and after multiplying we'll get 108m square. So in what way we can split 24m square? So you'll think on your own, but I'm telling here 3m square plus will split in the form of 18m plus 6m. If we'll add 18m and 6m, we'll get this 24m, and 18 into 6 will get this 108. Okay, and m into m will get m square. Okay, so this way we can split. 18m plus 6m is satisfying both the condition. 18m plus 6m will get 24m, and 18m into 6m will get 100m square. Okay, so we have splitted this 24m in the form of 18m plus 6m. Now plus this 36 we have to write 36. Now what we have to do? Take 2 pair. So 3m square and 18m will take together, and 6m plus 36 will take together. So 3m square we can take here common 3m. Then 3m into m will get 3m square, and 3m plus 6 will get this 18m. Okay, so this part we have done. Now here what we can take common? 6m and 36. We can take common 6 only. Okay, so 6 into m will get this 6m, and 6 plus 6 will get this 36. Now you can see in both the term m plus 6 and m plus 6 we are getting common. So m plus 6 will take common. Okay, now here m plus 6 is multiplied with what? 3m. So we'll take here 3m. Here m plus 6 is multiplied with what? With 6. So we'll take here 6. Okay, so this is your factorization. One more thing, if you can see here 3m plus 6 we are getting. In both these 3m plus 6, here also we can get common 3. Okay, so 3 we can take outside, so 3m, and here we can take 2. 3 into m, 3m, and 3 into 2 will get this 6. Got it? So, and this m plus 6 as usual. Okay, so m plus 6 into 3 into m plus 2 we are getting. So the constant part, any number will be there, then that number you write first. Okay, then you write rest of the thing, m plus 6 and this m plus 2. Okay, so this is your final factorization. 3 into m plus 6 into m plus 2 we have got in its product form. Okay, so factorization of this number, final factorization is this one. Got it? So I hope this is clear to you. Okay, one last question I am solving for you, then it will be clear to you, everything will be clear to you, and we'll end up this class. Okay, so one more question we'll see. Okay, now see this question number 37. 3 plus 23z minus 8z square. Okay, so we'll do this question. 3 plus 23z minus 8z square. So we'll write here 3 plus 23z z minus 8z square. This is our question. Okay, now what is our first step? Our first step is to multiply this part. Okay, first of all, let us arrange. Square part we should take first. Okay, so we'll write this one as minus 8z square, then plus 23z, and the constant part at last plus 3. Okay, now what is our first step? After that, what we have to do? This constant part and this square number part, both we have to multiply. So after multiplying, how much we'll get? 3 into 8, 24. So we'll get minus 24, and here z square is there, so we'll get here z square minus 24 z square we are getting. Okay, so this 23z we have to split. Okay, we have to split, so that after multiplying we have to get minus 24 z square. Got it? So we'll write it as minus 8 z square, and this 23 will split in the form of 24 z minus z. 24z minus z will get 23z. Okay, and if we'll multiply this 24z and minus z, then how much we'll get? 24z into minus z will get this minus 24z square. Okay, so this splitting method is satisfying both the condition. So we'll split 23z in this form. Got it? Now this part we have splitted, and now at last this 3 here. Got it? Now again 2 pair will take. Okay, so we'll take minus 8z square and 24z together, and minus z plus 3 together. So here what we can take as common? So here we can take minus 8z we can take common. So minus 8z into z will get this minus 8z square. Again minus 8z, then minus 3, then we'll get this minus 24z. Minus 8 into minus 3 will get plus 24, and this z will get overall this part. Got it? Now here what we have to take? Here we can take minus 1, then common we have taken minus 1, then minus 1 into z will get minus z, and minus 1 into minus 3 will get this plus 3. Okay, now you can see here z minus 3 and again z minus 3 we are getting common in both the terms. So z minus 3 will take common. Okay, now you can see here z minus 3 is multiplied with what? It is multiplied with minus 8z. So we'll take here minus 8z. Here z minus 3 is multiplied with what? Here z minus 3 is multiplied with minus 1. So we'll take here minus 1. Got it? So this is our final factorization. So I hope whatever I have taught you today, it is clear to you, and in this way you can solve rest of the question. All the questions you can solve. Got it? So see you in the next class with a new chapter. Okay, and all the best for your test. Up to here your syllabus is chapter 6 and 7, this factorization. So both the chapters, chapter 6 I am not doing, chapter 7 I have done. Okay, so I hope whatever I have taught you, it's clear to you. So all the best for your test. See you in the next class. Thank you.